It's October when I'm shooting this, so I wanted to talk about the horror or vampire teeth options that are available on Amazon. And I found these, and so far I'm pretty impressed with them. So essentially you get a whole bunch of these little packages of different size teeth, and they look very, very real. It's really hard to tell on camera, I know. And it also comes with some thermoplastic, which means that these go from hard plastic to a really soft plastic when you put them in warm water. So you got to get it pretty close to boiling water. You put these in there for a couple seconds, and it turns into like more of like a paste. You put that paste inside of the tooth and you put it on whichever tooth it fits on and leave it sit there for a little while until that plastic cools back down, and that creates a perfect fit for you and your specific tooth. And there's lots of different sizes, so different size fangs and different size opening for the different size teeth that you might want to put it on, and plenty of thermoplastic in order to mold it. If you're going to be a vampire for Halloween or something where you need fangs or teeth, this is one option that I found on Amazon and that I use and that I would definitely recommend.